Guess what? We're gonna show you some more stuff that we launched in our mystery boxes that I'm sure Greg has already ruined for y'all. So surprise not. But we thought we'd show you the colors. The first one we're gonna show is this stunning earth tone chrome. I think it's gonna look amazing by itself. We're gonna do it over some colors so you guys can check it out. I've been doing foil videos, and what we're not gonna do is judge my nails today, guys. You can judge me on everything else, but not my nails. So this isn't really a how-to video. I'm gonna cure out Ultimate Finish for 30 seconds, what I like to put it into. We do have a great video Karen did on how to do chromes. Check that out. Let's pull out the palette now, guys. I have my heavily used palettes today. The warehouse is closed. I don't know where the new ones are, so you guys are just gonna have to deal with some used stuff. I'm sure you don't mind, but let's start. And we're just gonna put it on there. We're just rub it in to that finish. And why we like finish, it just grabs the chrome like perfectly. If you cure it much longer than 30 seconds, it doesn't grab as well, because remember, finish is a non-stick top coat. So you cure it all the way, it's not gonna have any stick to it. So we cure it for 30 seconds and it just gives it the right amount of grab. But this is Wine Wrangler. If you remember Wine Wrangler, we launched Wine Wrangler a long time ago and we discontinued it, and I have heard nothing but grief from distributors, mentors, and customers about doing that. So guess what, guys? It's back. Pretty similar color, a little more chromy over the Wine Wrangler. Beautiful, beautiful. Now let's go into this kind of earthy brown. This reminds me of my favorite glitter, which is Salty Sweet. And get it on there. All these are gonna be so nice for out. And this one we're putting over, it's called Pet Sidecar. This is a brand new nude color we came out with. Just a different tone. I really think over the color you're getting more of a metal look, where this has a gritty look to it, which is kind of raw, and I like it. Okay, let's do this bronzy color next. I'm sorry if my hair is in the way, guys. About how much you want to put on. I mean, the more you put on, obviously the heavier the coat's going to be. We don't want any of that powdery look, so we try to just smooth it out really nicely. We don't want to go in touching this with our fingers because we have a little tack to that gel, and anytime you're over touching product, you can build up a contact dermatitis, which we don't want. So we keep our hands out of it. Ooh, again, just more gritty, raw. I don't know, I think I kind of like this version better than on top, but I mean, it's all preference, and it's good to know that it's gonna kind of give you two different looks. Let's go into this goldy color. Okay, pretty. This one, did I tell you guys the name of this one? I didn't. That one was Toothless, by the way. And this one is Congratulations Song. Palettes look small, but they're just going to keep on giving. And kind of look a little more translucent and clear, a little more heavier metal gold look over the color. And this one is going to go over clear and dust bunny. Let's get another one of these eyeshadow ones that we haven't used yet. You can see the difference between this one and the one we used the first time. Guys, if you didn't get our summer chromes, those were gorgeous and great light touch, but I am living for these over clear. They're a little more heavier than the translucents we came out over the summer, but they just still have a lightness to them. Great earth tones. And now this one's going over Dust Bunny. And the last we're gonna do is this beautiful, it's somewhere in between this bronzy and this earth brown tone. So we're gonna do the clear first. Yeah, this is just a light gold, but it's not like a gold bar. It's kind of that light, dirty gold. I don't know if you guys remember this color. This is also a discontinued color that y'all asked for. This is Slate. I'm gonna set these aside. I'll top coat them in a little bit, but we're gonna set them aside and we're gonna get to our Jewel Chrome palette. Okay, on to our Jewel palette. Remember guys, these are my used ones. Apparently I went really hard on the green. I've been using it a lot, but we're going to sample them. Let's get our clear. If you haven't seen it already, it's coming, but we have new cream clays, new colors that were in the large mystery box. This palette is also what's in the large mystery box, just so you know. And so we're gonna put them over the clear, gonna put it over the color, just like we did with the Earthtones. This fuchsia, oh lordy, that's still my heart, my beating heart. This is amazing. It kind of looks velvety without a top coat. Love. Let's look at what it looks like on Uncorked. Yeah, I have put this palette through some trials and tribulations, guys. So, like I said, warehouse is closed. I have no idea where the new ones are. So, I'm going to be using the palette I've been using for the last 3 months. Fairly the same color, a little deeper under the over the Uncorked, but pretty nevertheless. Okay, the red, let's do that. Let's get like pretty standard red tone. It's got a good fiery glow. Guys, I have to be honest, I'm not a red fan. I look at it and I think, oh, that's pretty, and then red glitter or anything, it's just not my jam. Orange, yes. Red, no. But this is very pretty for all the red lovers out there. I think I'm just traumatized over the holiday season and Valentine's over the years of doing nails that you do it so much, you just get sick of it. But again, much deeper over, this was over good on paper, cream clay. Okay, let's go with the blue. Beautiful blue, great jewel tone. Because we don't want the powder. So let's check it out over Snoozertown. Okay, that's like the perfect ice blue. Gorgeous. Okay, I didn't have a cream clay that really went with the silver, so I just pulled Slate, one of the discontinued manicures that we had in one of the mystery boxes. So we're just gonna put the silver over that, but oh, this is like by itself. That's a good silver. Okay, let's put it over the Slate. Didn't used to like to mix. I'm maturing, guys. I like them together. Okay, more of a gunmetal, which is awesome too. So it's just whatever you want to put it under. And this is a great way of, like, if you're doing a set that has the slate color, but you want to do some accent nails, use this and it's perfect. Let's do the green. That's like the perfect holiday green right there. Got a little gold fire to it. You can always too, like, let's say you don't want to put it over a color, but you want a little more to it. You could always finish gel a second time and then do a second coat. Let's do it over, this is called Highfalutin. Now there we go. Look at that. Yeah. Again, just more intense. Ooh. Last one we're gonna do is this goldy color. It's really, really pretty. And we're gonna do that on over grown-up table. feeling overgrown up table. It's gonna look amazing. Yeah. Could you imagine this with some glitter? Ooh. There it is. Okay, so there's the jewel tones. Beautiful. And let's get the earth tones in there too. I'm gonna top coat them all, guys. You'll have a beauty shot at the end, but I don't know. What's your favorite? I think I'm going earth tone, but I love them all.
Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel.